Top 8 Best Email Marketing Software in 2021. Email marketing has already taken its place among the most lucrative jobs worldwide, and it gets more competitive as new marketing tools are introduced into the system. While getting email marketing software could greatly expand the number of clients you interact with and turn your business around, these platforms will cost you money if you want to get the best out of them. This is why choosing the right platform for your business is very essential. In today's video, we'll discuss email marketing and the top 8 best platforms you need to be working with by now. Email marketing is the method of marketing where businesses employ the use of well-organized emails whose aim are to attract or entice the customer and prospects while effectively sending a message across to them. Email marketing software is the platform whose tools and functionality help email marketers automate various tasks such as sending welcome messages to their subscribers, making sales directly through emails, and creating email funnels that'll directly lead customers to their business pages and products. This newly infused automation software significantly impacts marketing as it does a lot of the work for you. Now that we know what email marketing software is, let's discuss the top platforms you should be signing up for and why. But before that, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GetResponse. GetResponse is one of the best email marketing platforms out there that has existed for at least more than a decade, with several advantages compared to its competitors. With many years of experience, the marketing platform has won more than 350,000 customers worldwide. GetResponse used to be an email marketing solutions provider when it was first established. However, it is more of an all-in-one platform today that seeks to provide marketers with many benefits, such as marketing automation, landing page creators, ready-to-use email templates, responsive email designs, to mention a few. Their spam-free marketing solutions seek to achieve very high deliverability rates. With user-friendly drag-and-drop editors and intelligent templates, you don't need to design your emails from square one. Number 2. ConstantContact. ConstantContact is, without doubt, one of the email marketing software we cannot leave out of this list. ConstantContact was established around 1995 and has since proved to be very useful in online marketing. It focuses on creating tools that small businesses especially can use to grow their audience and sell more online, relating their vision to a humble beginning in an attic. Its friendly interface allows even new email marketers to familiarize themselves with its easy-to-use drag-and-drop functionality, which helps its users create more smart emails from customized templates for even new marketers. With over 650,000 customers to attend to, the company continues to deliver. ConstantContact's 60-day free trial is one of the best trials marketing industry you can use to start your email marketing journey. Its pricing starts as low as $20. Number 3. Moosend. Moosend was established in 2011, and it is a simple-looking email marketing platform whose advanced features help create emails that set it apart from its competitors. Moosend offers almost every email marketing feature you need to grow and engage your customers. Their real-time analytics and easy-to-use segmentation tools are a few to mention. What makes the Moosend email marketing platform special is its e-commerce AI featured functionality that monitors customer shopping habits and sends a targeted email based on their interests. What's even more refreshing is that this platform starts as low as $8 per month for its premium plan. Number 4. MailerLite. MailerLite is a less sophisticated email marketing platform that is not limited to automation, segmentation, and all the great features you need to set up your intelligent emails. It seeks to make email setup procedures less complicated. Its pricing starts as low as $10 for up to 1,000 subscribers and offers a 30% discount if you sign up for annual billing, which is very considerate. Despite their affordability, MailerLite does not restrict its customers to just simple tools. Their packages also include a drag-and-drop editor, pop-ups, surveys, and personalization tools despite its less sophisticated nature, making it one of the best email marketing platforms to sign up for today. Moving forward, if you love this content, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Number 5. SendinBlue. SendinBlue is one of the email marketing software widely recognized worldwide that seeks to help most small and medium-sized businesses grow their list of customers or audience by sending the right emails at the right time. SendinBlue has a lot of unique features with more focus on marketing automation and accurate segmentation. With over 80,000 customers worldwide, SendinBlue's premium features like Facebook ads, retargeted ads, telephone support, and landing pages just to mention a few, will significantly expand your list and your marketing sales. They are not limited to drag-and-drop builders and automation features, so they are definitely worth your money. Their free plan offers an unlimited number of contacts with up to 300 email sends a day, which is very good, especially for a smaller or solo business. Number 6. AVADA Email Marketing. AVADA email marketing software is an undeniably outstanding platform with which you can quickly set up various email campaigns comprising cross-sell, upsell, and transactional emails. You can also organize abandoned cart and send follow-up emails with automated campaign booster features to keep your list engaged and gradually convert them into customers with this platform. AVADA's KPIs are a great way to track your performance. Features such as email marketing automation, drag-and-drop editors, professional and well-organized templates, and customer support are not limited to this platform. It charges as low as $9 for its Pro plan, with a free plan for newcomers, making it one of the excellent choices to make if you're looking out for the best email marketing platforms. Number 7. Hubspot. Hubspot is one of the best email marketing platforms, especially when you want to add highly controlled automation to your emails. HubSpot is not limited to features like a drag-and-drop builder and intelligently customized templates to make email creation less hectic. Its features go as far as adding calls to action and images, and excellent A/B testing tools to help analyze which of your emails performed better and why. Also, their mapping tool allows you to have a more precise visualization and clarification of how effectively your emails are reaching your customers. HubSpot starts at $0 for free for up to 2,000 emails per month, serving as an excellent tool for a good start. Number 8. Drip. The new e-commerce-based email marketing platform is a great option to start with, especially if you need to work your way up as a smaller e-commerce business. Unlike many other email marketing platforms, Drip's offers include reliable segmentation tools and features such as automation and commerce metrics tracking, among others, that different platforms make available to only bigger-sized businesses, free for any size of e-commerce business depending on your business list. Ideally known for e-commerce shops, Drip's revenue attribution feature will give you a transparent picture of which campaigns are making you money. Drip's pricing starts at $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers, and all plans support a 24/7 customer live chat as well as email support. However, if you need to know your way around the platform, Drip's 14-day trial plan was made for you. The truth is, there are many email marketing platforms out there. MailChimp and AWeber are notably a few worth mentioning. Email marketing solutions are not going away with more marketing problems arising as time goes on. So if you're looking for an email marketing solution in a platform for your business as of 2021, then consider investing your money in any of the ones best mentioned in this video. Please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!